Week 5 of the murder trial for disgraced South Carolina lawyer Alex Murdaugh.
While many are still wondering if he will take the stand in his own defense, tensions were high today as his only surviving son, Buster, took the stand. Andrew Davis breaks down testimony and what we can expect in the days to come.
Alex Murdaugh's only remaining son says he would talk to his mom and dad multiple times a day, every single day. So their conversations on the day of the murder were not unusual in any form. What Buster says was not normal was when his father told him that Maggie and Paul had been brutally shot and killed.
He told me that my mom and brother had been shot. I kind of just sat there for a minute. I was in shock.
What Buster Murdaugh was not shocked about was his father's drug use. Buster said Alec had gone to rehab at least once in 2018 and then did home detox, as he called it, several times as well.
You thought he had beat it?
That's right, yes, sir.
When it came to the weeks and months after the boat crash that killed Mallory Beach in 2019, Buster said the negativity and anger towards the family consumed his mother, Maggie. It got so bad she wouldn't even shop in Hampton anymore. But he added that Alec was not overly mad about the civil and criminal boat cases against the family, adding that amongst the family, none of us thought that Paul was driving that boat. After Buster took the stand, the focus moved to the actual shooting. Defense expert Mike Sutton explained how his testing showed Alec could not hear the deadly shots from the .300 blackout rifle at the kennel 1,000 feet away while he was inside the house.
You would not be able to hear it.
And the shotgun, I assume, was quieter, so it'd be even less of an opportunity to hear that.
Yeah, there were times we fired the shotgun in a quiet house and you couldn't hear it at all.
Sutton also delved into the two-shooter theory, how the bullet holes and shells at the scene show that Alec, being 6'3", is unrealistic to be able to fire shots that entered buildings at just over 4 feet.
What, if any, opinion do you have as to whether that person could be Alex Murdaugh shooting into that quail pen?
It can be.
Sutton also detailed the fact that Alex Murdaugh's Suburban did not slow down significantly at the spot where Maggie's iPhone was found outside of Moselle. Prosecutors had surmised that he may have thrown that there into the woods to move it away from the property, and that also the headlights from the Suburban, when he got back on scene and shined on the kennel itself, means he could have seen the bodies of Maggie and Paul ever before he stepped out of that truck. We also have an update for you on a story we broke just last week. We do believe Alex Murdaugh will testify in his defense, and that could come as early as this week, as early as Thursday itself. A source close to the defense tells us that is still on tap, depending on what goes on for the rest of the week. So Alex Murdaugh expected to take the stand once again in his own defense as early as Thursday. In Walterboro, Andrew Davis, WSAV News 3 on your side.
For a full timeline of events and live testimony, go to WSAV.com/Murdaugh.